Hi everyone, how are you doing? Happy weekend. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up my Ipsy Glam bag. So I've already opened up both my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Ultimate. Yep, I get all three. There's actually a giveaway going on in my Ipsy Ultimate video, so I'm gonna link that down below for you guys if you missed that. But yeah, today we are just opening up the first tier of the subscription services Ipsy offers. So the regular Ipsy Glam bag. This one is $12 a month. You get deluxe size samples, and sometimes or occasionally you'll get a full size item as well, and it always comes with a bag. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It always comes in a bubble wrapped bag. It used to be hot bright pink, but now this is what it looks like, still pink, so it's okay. But anyways, I'm gonna link Ipsy's website down below along with any giveaways going on, but let's get started and see what's in my bag. One thing came outside of the bag. So this month for all of the Ipsy bags, they collaborate with Gigi Gorgeous, and all of the bags have a similar theme. So this is the regular Ipsy bag. The Ipsy Plus bag was a little bit bigger, and then the Ipsy Ultimate had a big bag, which I love so much. Again, if you didn't see that video, it's linked down below. So yeah, so it's like leopard print. I heard someone say this was giraffe print. I don't really know. Someone let me know down below. What print is this? Some sort of animal print. But a zipper closure, and then inside's all the goodies. Let's get the piece of paper out. Wow, okay, so in my Ipsy Plus and in my Ipsy Ultimate, I didn't get a sheet that said all of the items inside, but for this one I did, so that's interesting. So I guess the theme is Wild Side, which correlates well with the bags. It says, explore your 5 glam bag products and prepare to swipe on something new and oh so you. Get to know your future favorites. So there's 5 items in here. I was gonna do like a try-on video for this one, but the majority of my items I got this month were actually skincare, so I didn't think that would be very fun. The first thing I got has kind of excessive packaging. It came outside the bag. But anyways, I've tried this before and I enjoy it. This is the It Cosmetics Confident in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. I received a full size of this before, I believe in my Ipsy Plus, like one of my first Ipsy Pluses, and I used that all up a while ago. I do really like this cream. So this is just a deluxe sample of it. So yeah, this is the size of it, and this is how much paper they sent with it. I don't really know, that's kind of wasteful in my opinion. But it just tells you that this was developed with plastic surgeons. Confidence in a Cream is your revolutionary moisturizer that truly transforms your skin, blah, blah, blah. I can attest to it that I do really like this. Let's see how much actually comes inside. Oh, it's pretty full. You know, sometimes there's like barely any in these, so I'm excited to have this again because I did really enjoy it. It's a great moisturizer, especially for like drier months, so I'll probably keep this for travel. Next up is by Verify. I think that's how you say the brand's name. And this is Power Trip Phytoglycogen plus AHA Facial Serum. So this is obviously a serum for your face. Let's see what it says on here. It says, talk about girl power. Verify Skincare is founded by women in STEM, which stands for science, tech, engineering, and math if you're unfamiliar. So you know the serum delivers results. It uses AHAs, which are great for acne-prone skin, arnica, calendula, and more to exfoliate, hydrate, calm, and smooth skin's texture in one step. It says, tip, apply facial serum once daily to clean dry skin. Massage 1 to 2 drops of the product in your face in an upward motion, avoiding the eye area. I love AHAs and stuff like that. I currently am using several serums. I have such like a bougie, like way like intensive skincare regimen in the morning. Someone asked me to film a video on it. I think I will soon. So I don't know when I will get to this product, but I do like the sound of it. It seems great. And I can see on the back that it is cruelty-free, so cool. Next up, oh my god, this is so teeny. When I saw the spoiler online, I didn't know it would be this small. This is by Pixi by Petra. I guess I was just like picturing their full size, but this is a dual-sided bronzer. How do you even get your brush into one of the sides? Because bronzer brushes are pretty big, you know? Yeah, let me get there's like other wrapping on this. Let me get it off. This is ridiculous. Oh. Wait, so it's Pixi by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo and Mineral Bronze. I think this is actually not a bronzer for your face, it's for eyeshadow, so that makes way more sense. When I saw Mineral Bronze, I just instantly thought of bronzer for your face. So these are actually really pretty for your eyes. You can just do a really quick, easy, smoky look with these. That makes so much more sense. I was like, how the hell do you get your bronzer brush in here? Oh, it feels nice and buttery. Oh, so I have some swatches on my hand from a video I just filmed, so just ignore that, I guess. But those are quick swatches. Aren't those lipstick shades pretty though? Not related to this video, but this is cute. I like, since it's so small, and I'm glad it has 2 shadows in it, so you can easily do a quick look on the go. Let's see what else it says about this. It says, time is precious and no one knows better than Pixi by Petra's founder, who's a mom of 4. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go lifestyle. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features a buttery smooth gray taupe on the left and a deep bronze on the right. Tip, apply to eyelids using a brush or use your fingertip for more intensity. Don't forget eyelid primer for maximum staying power. Cool, I'm excited to try this. I don't know if I think back like years ago I had a Pixi palette, but I haven't used any of their eyeshadows or really anything by them in a long time, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. Next up is the item I chose. So now with all of the Ipsy subscriptions, you get to customize one item, and whenever I see foundation or anything like that, like I have to choose it. So I chose a foundation like this. I absolutely love trying base products like foundations and concealers, and this is one I've never heard of before. So this is called, is by Lock Color Lock It Good Foundation. So it's like BB cream plus foundation. I like the packaging. It looks like there's like a city on top. So they sent it to me in 4 light buff, and it says it has the benefits of BB cream with the coverage of liquid foundation, velvety smooth whipped cream texture, apply appropriate amount and gently spread on the face. So let's see what it says on here. This brand draws from K-Beauty's and NYC's vibrant energy. You'll enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative foundation / BB cream hybrid. Made with hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and collagen. It hydrates, soothes, and calms while providing lasting full coverage. Awesome. So I'm planning on doing a get ready with me type video using new makeup I've gotten that I haven't used on camera soon. So I will definitely incorporate this into the video, but I'm just gonna put a teeny bit on my hand to see how the color matches. It might be a little dark on me. Maybe we can make it work though. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't oxidize, but like I said, I'll try this out in a future video. And I think we have one more item. Oh, this is, okay, I guess we did get a decent amount of makeup in here. I could have done a look, sorry about that. I like doing try-ons in my videos, but anyways, this is so cute and little. For a second, I thought my cat was being bad. Anyways, this is the Mary Luminizer, Liquid Mary Luminizer. I love the powder version of the Mary Luminizer by the Balm. So this is the liquid version. It's a liquid highlighter and all over illuminator. And look how cute this is. It's little. So everything this month was deluxe size samples, but that's okay. This is the $12 subscription. In the Ipsy Plus, we get all full size, and then the Ipsy Ultimate, you get like 6 to 8 full size and like 3 to 4 deluxe sample sizes, but I wonder what the tip looks like for this. Oh, cool. So it's like a doe foot. Oh, wow. That is some highlight. Well, my hand's a mess of swatches right now, but I'm excited to try this out. It's a little product, but I think that was probably even too much. Like a little bit goes a long way. So this says, we're all about keeping beauty fun, and the Balm Cosmetics does just that with the quirky packaging and quick fix products. This glow boosting champagne gold liquid highlighter adds instant radiance to your cheekbones, inner eye, or cupid's bow, and it's great for all skin tones. Tip, get creative with this multitasking product. Dab on as a highlight anywhere on your face, or mix with moisturizer, primer, or foundation to add a luminous sheen to your complexion. Cool, I'm excited to try this. So this was actually a pretty good month. So we didn't get any full size, like I said, but that's okay. I don't expect to always get it. So just a little quick recap. We got the It Confidence in a Cream, and I actually really like this moisturizer, so I'm happy to have it for travel. We got some serum from a brand I've never heard of, Verify, and I think that sounds cool. Like some smart ladies made this up, and it has good ingredients from what I could tell. I definitely am excited to try it out. Like I said, my skincare regimen is already pretty heavy, but I will find a way to fit this in soon and test it out. I absolutely love getting foundation, so that is why I selected this item. It looks like it may be too dark on me, but we will try and work it out. Maybe I can mix it in with some things, but we'll try this in a future video. Stay tuned for that. And I think these colors, these Pixi by Petra, this little duo, I think these are really pretty. You can create a quick, easy look with this. I was confused at first that it was a bronzer, but nope, it is eyeshadows. It feel really buttery and smooth, and they're great like everyday colors, or you can kind of deepen it up because one's like more taupe and one's more bronzy. And then we have the little Mary Duminizer, which I'm excited to try on my face because I really do enjoy the powder version. And then again, this was the bag. I'm not like the biggest fan of it. Usually I save these bags for my giveaways, and I have giveaways often. So again, my giveaway link is down below. Definitely check that out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging my Ipsy Glam bag for November. I really appreciate it, and I hope you are having an amazing weekend. Let me know if you have any fun plans. Are you going out, staying home? I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but I'll figure it out. Either way, I'm sure it'll involve a glass of wine. Anyways, love you guys so much. See you in my next one. Bye.